12 cars are parked outside a shopping mall in two rows of six each. The cars in one row are facing the cars in the other. Palio, Quanto, Rhino, Swift, Tiago, and Vitara are in one of the row facing south, whereas Alto, Beetle, Civic, Datsun, Eco, and Fortuner are the other row facing south. So one thing that we have very clearly mentioned here is which are the cars facing north. So those are the cars on one side, and the ones facing south are on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all make that here. So Alto, Beetle, Civic, Datsun, and Datsun Eco and Fortuner are facing the south, and Palio, Conto, Rhino, Swift, Tiago, and Vitara are facing north. And if you're facing north, then right is on this side, left is on this side. If it is south, then right is this side and left is this side. Now let's look at all these statements and start putting the cars into the order here. The first thing that we come to know from the statement itself is that Palio is third to the left of Tiago, and neither Palio nor Tiago is parked at any of the ends. Now, this is a nice statement here because with this statement itself, we can start off the question and we can say because Palio and Tiago is not at any of the ends, the only possibility is Palio is going to be here and Tiago is going to be here because it says Palio is third to the left of Tiago. 1, 2, and 3. Third to the left of Tiago. So we have already fixed our reference with respect to Tiago and Palio now. Next one, Alto is parked second to the right of Eco, and neither Alto nor Eco faces Tiago or Palio. Alto is not parked at any of the ends. How can you actually put this? You can actually put this only in one way, which is Alto here and Eco here. Why? Because if you see here, it says Alto is not parked at any of the ends and Alto is parked second to the right of Eco. Now, second to the right of Eco, let's say if Eco is here, Alto can be here, which is a possibility. If Eco comes here, then second to the right will be here. But then the problem is neither Eco nor Alto is facing Tiago or Palio. So that case is not possible. If Eco comes here, then Alto will be facing Palio. That's also not possible. And if Eco comes here, then Alto is going to be at the rightmost end. That is not possible because Alto cannot be at any of the ends. So there is only one possibility that exists, which is Alto is here and Eco is going to be here. Rhino does not face Alto and Rhino is not parked at any of the ends. So if Rhino is not facing Alto, that means Rhino cannot come here and it is not at any of the ends. So the only possibility of Rhino is Rhino can be only here, nowhere else. Only one car is parked between Fortuner and Civic. Also, neither Fortuner nor Civic faces Tiago and Civic is not parked at one of the end. Again, this becomes quite easy to actually now work out because there is only one possibility. This Fortuner is at one of the end because Civic cannot be parked at one of the end. And if Fortuner is here, then Civic is going to be here. Why? Because there is only one car between Fortuner and Civic. There is no other possibility. Why? Because neither Fortuner nor Civic faces Tiago. So that means if you move Fortuner here and Civic here, then Civic will be facing Tiago. That's not possible. And here, none of them can come. So the only possibility is Fortuner at one end here and Civic is here. Only one car is parked between Vitara and Quanto. So that possibility only exists now here. Quanto here and Vitara here, or the other way around, which is Quanto here, Vitara here, and Quanto here. But the problem is in the last statement, it says Vitara does not face Alto. So that means this case does not work. So only Quanto and Vitara can be in these two places. Fortuner is not parked adjacent to Beetle. So if Fortuner is not parked adjacent to Beetle, then that means Beetle is here and you have Datsun here. And here we are now very clear. Palio is here, Rhino, Quanto, Tiago, Vitara. The only one left is Swift. So Swift will be on this end. That solves this question. How many cars are parked between Beetle and Datsun? So Beetle and Datsun, you have Civic and Alto, that's 2. Vitara is related to Beetle in the same way as Quanto is related to Civic. So Vitara is related to Beetle. Vitara is here, Beetle is here, Quanto is here, and Civic is here. Then to which car is Palio related in the same manner? So Palio is related to Fortuner in the same manner. Which of the following is true regarding Vitara? Vitara faces Alto. No, that's not true. Tiago is not adjacent to Vitara. That's not true because Tiago is adjacent to Vitara. Civic faces the car that is second to the left of Vitara. So Civic faces the car that is second to the left of Vitara. So no, that's not correct. And Vitara is parked at one of the ends. That is the correct answer. Which among the following is parked at the extreme ends of the row? So you have Fortuner, Eco, Swift, and Vitara. So answer will be Vitara and Swift. Which among the following faces the Beetle? Beetle will be Tiago. That solves the question. Simple question. References are given to you directly. You can map references and work with it.